What's going on, guys? You got Gerard and Christian here, back and better than ever on the Backyard Mini Ramp. My good friend Christian started skating less than a year ago, so since we just did a video for me showing my progression over the past year, I thought it'd be really cool to show his progression really from the beginning to now. So how's it going?
It's going good. I mean, as far as I can tell, I started skateboarding for the first time really ever in July. My son wanted to get into it. I decided to get into it with him and really haven't looked back as far as that goes. And it's been awesome. Trying to learn just new tricks, but trying to learn just tricks, period. Trying to learn how to stand up on a board, how to roll, how to push, how to pump on a ramp. It's been kind of a whirlwind, but coming over to Gerard's ramp, building a little 2-foot ramp in my backyard myself, the progression has been phenomenal. So
yeah, and I think you guys will see that today, so let's get it.
well, wrapped up this video. I got basically every trick that I can do, like solid trick that I can do on this ramp. It was perfect. Didn't take that long. It was honestly one of the best sessions I've had on this ramp, so I'm pleased with it. Hopefully you guys watching it are motivated, if you're not skating, to start skating. If you already skate, sorry you had to watch some guy like work on some tricks, but I'm stoked for him. We'll see what's next.
That's right. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in 2022.
Today will be an exceptional day as we will reflect upon the year's worth of tricks.